In this video, I will be showing you how to uninstall Avast Antivirus on Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just go to search and type control panel. We'll be having it. Open it. And in control panel, select programs. Click on programs and features. And here we will be having this Avast Antivirus. Right click on it and select uninstall. And here we are having three options. We can simply click on uninstall. And if you want, you can just give a reason, or else directly click on skip and uninstall. This will take some time. Just be patient. We will be getting uninstallation complete and we need to restart our system. So just do that. I have uninstalled my system, and as you can see in the control panel, I'm not having any Avast, not the desktop shortcut also. Now just go to this PC local disk C, go to view and enable this hidden items. We'll be having here program data, and we can simply delete this folder. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.